In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Calendly billing. Navigating through subscriptions and figuring out how to cancel them can often feel overwhelming. We get it. That's why we're here to walk you through the process, step by step, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to access Calendly's website. Open up your favorite internet browser and type in calendly.com. This is the gateway to managing your appointments, but today it's also the starting point for halting your billing with them. Once you've arrived at the page, look for the login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login screen where various sign-in options are presented. If you've been using your Google account to sign in, you'll want to click on Continue with Google. It's a convenient option that links your Calendly account directly to your Google profile, pulling in necessary details and streamlining the sign-in process. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account associated with your Calendly subscription. This step is crucial as it ensures you're managing the correct account. Now select your account from the list provided. If prompted, you may need to verify your identity with Google by entering your password. It's all about security, ensuring that only you can make changes to your Calendly subscription. Once authenticated, you'll be taken back to Calendly, more specifically your dashboard, which is the nerve center of your Calendly account. Here's where it gets interesting. Navigate to the admin center. This option is your key to managing the back-end aspects of your Calendly usage, including billing information. Upon clicking on the admin center, search for the billing option. This is where all your subscription details are housed, providing a clear overview of your current plan, payment history, and critically the option to cancel your subscription. It's important to take a moment here to review your billing details. It's good practice to be aware of what services you're paying for and how often. Once in the billing section, you'll notice your current plan displayed prominently. Instead of a select or change plan option, you should see the option to cancel your plan. It's a simple word, but clicking it initiates the process of freeing you from future billing cycles. Clicking cancel will likely prompt a series of confirmation steps. These might include specifying a reason for cancelling and confirming your choice. These steps are here for a couple of reasons. Firstly, they provide valuable feedback to Calendly about why customers choose to leave, helping them improve their services. Secondly, it's a final check that you, the user, genuinely intend to cancel, preventing accidental cancellations. During this process, you might be offered alternatives to cancelling, such as pausing your account or changing to a different plan. Companies often present these options as a way to retain customers, but if your mind is made up, proceed with the cancellation. Once you've confirmed your cancellation, you should receive a notification either on the screen or via email confirming that your billing has been successfully cancelled. This is a crucial piece to keep for your records, confirming that you've taken steps to end your subscription and shouldn't see further charges from Calendly. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to cancelling your Calendly billing. Remember, it's always a good idea to periodically review your subscriptions and services to ensure you're only paying for what you genuinely use and need. It's part of managing your digital footprint and ensuring your online services work for you, not the other way around. Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully this video has demystified the process and helped you take control of your Calendly subscription. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Take care.